Hey, this is Lamont from the Stay True podcast and from TrueBeastCoaching.com. Do you think you will ever receive reparations? Or let alone do they even want to give reparations? It's in my humble opinion that there is no way that they will ever be able to afford reparations or find that number because it'll bankrupt the U.S., let alone other countries. You might be saying, oh no, there's a number. But just think about it. What if God placed your ability to get reparations inside your gifts, but you got to heal first? Because he's saying there's still some brokenness. And so in order to qualify, you need to be whole. Maybe, just maybe, instead of a lump sum, there's a lifetime of reparations, but it's inside the gifts. And all you got to do is heal. Would you do it? Holler back at your boy. This is Lamont from Stay True Podcast and from TrueBeastCoaching.com. And remember, triumph requires unlimited effort.